In this video, I'll be walking you through Sciforma, a powerful project management platform that's been designed to help businesses streamline their operations, enhance collaboration, and ensure that all aspects of a project are properly managed. Sciforma offers a broad range of features, including task tracking, resource allocation, project timelines, and reporting tools, all aimed at improving your team's productivity. When you first log into Sciforma, you're greeted by a sleek and intuitive dashboard that presents an overview of your current projects, tasks, and team members. The interface is clean, with color-coded tasks, progress bars, and easy navigation. You can easily jump between different modules, whether you're looking to check in on tasks, review resource availability, or generate project reports. One thing that stands out about Sciforma is how customizable it is. You can tailor the dashboard and task views to fit your project needs, making it versatile for different team structures. Now, let's take a look at the core features. Sciforma's task management system is particularly impressive. You can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. The platform allows you to prioritize tasks and categorize them according to different criteria, which is ideal for larger teams managing multiple projects. In addition to individual tasks, Sciforma also enables you to break down tasks into subtasks, making it easier to organize complex projects. Moving on to resource management, Sciforma allows you to view your team's availability and allocate resources efficiently. The resource planning tools let you see how many hours each team member has available, preventing overloading and ensuring optimal productivity. The software also integrates with other tools, which is a big plus for teams using multiple platforms. When it comes to collaboration, Sciforma excels. The platform enables seamless communication between team members, with options to leave comments, attach files, and set up notifications for updates. This ensures everyone stays on the same page, whether they're working in the office or remotely. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. For teams that require detailed project reports, Sciforma offers advanced reporting features. You can generate reports on resource allocation, project timelines, task completion, and more. These reports are highly customizable, allowing you to focus on the metrics that matter most to your team. This is especially useful for managers and stakeholders who need to keep track of project progress. In terms of pricing, Sciforma offers a variety of plans depending on the size of your team and the features you need. While it may be more expensive than some other project management tools, the range of features it provides could justify the cost for larger teams or businesses with more complex project management needs. Overall, Sciforma is a robust project management tool with a lot to offer for teams looking to streamline their workflows, enhance collaboration, and stay on top of project timelines. While it does have a bit of a learning curve due to the depth of its features, the effort is well worth it for teams needing a comprehensive project management solution. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.